Hi guys, how are you? A very hot and tired but rather excited tonight from Audio Direct, and we've got something very special behind us. This is of course the Maserati Ghibli that we're handing back to its owner. A very happy owner. We've just demoed it for him and he seems more than happy, and so are we. So we just wanted to show you some of the work that we've done, and one of the sexiest things on this car is press it twice and the thing just fires up to life by itself, which is always a bit of a head turner. But the best thing about the car and the work that we've done, as you can see, it looks absolutely factory. There's nothing in here that will tell you that anything has been done. Gorgeous interior, of course, Italian Napa leather. No one does things as good looking as the Italians, to be honest. But very briefly, here at the boot, you can see we've got some rather tasty Hertz goodies. These are, of course, the Hertz Mill Legends MLK 165s, and in combination with that we also have the Hertz Power ML Power 5 amplifier as well, and of course same again for the front and back, and that subwoofer, not ported and still such a quality product, it makes such a huge difference. So jumping in here now, the thing is we got a bit of Big Rick Ross playing in the background, so I don't know if we're going to breach any copyright. Let's try and take this onto another track for you. Nice bit of Arabic music here. We're not going to be able to put this up all the way up. You can see we're only adjusting that up to 13, 14, 15. This goes all the way up to 40. I don't even know if you can hear me at this point, but I'm going to be quiet and let Audio Direct's work speak for itself. Just 20 seconds of bass and we're going to go up to 20. Remember, half the power. Now I get that we can't put audio across on a video channel, but we just wanted to get a bit of footage for you just to show you what we've done on this vehicle. Absolutely factory on this Maserati Ghibli, and a very happy owner. We are chuffed to be handing back this car sounding so good and still looking factory. Audio Direct and 𝗠𝗔𝗦𝗘𝗥𝗔𝗬 people, thank you for watching, and we look forward to having you as part of our premier clientele as well. Thank you very much.